Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can crop shapes in Canva. So in Canva, unfortunately, there's no direct feature where you can crop your shapes into something. But in here, I'm going to show you the alternative to shape or to crop the shape. So if it is an image, you can just easily dragging it like this to create a new shape, just like so. You can adjust it to how you like it, but if it's a shape like this, I use this shape, you can just use another shape to cover it up. So for example, I have this too, so I'm going to make this a square, the color to be the same with the background, which is white. And as you guys can see here, it's already white and I cannot see the shape, so you can just drag it to cover some of the part of the shape that you want to crop. For example, want to crop it like this, so now it's become a new shape. You can just adjust it to how you like it. For example, I'm going to make it half and it will be changed just like so. Here you can also use the drawing feature. You can click on draw and choose the type of brush, change the color into white. So you can just choose the brush in here. Sorry, let's just use another brush. You can use it just like so. You can just use the right type of brush, just like this, and you can adjust the white, okay, for example, just like this, and it will become a new shape. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe also.